we are going to learn the end projector problems. So in this problem, the end projector distance of line AB is 120 mm. One end A of the line AB is 20 mm above HP and 60 mm in front of VP. So first we draw our XY line and we mark our A end projection. The A point 20 mm above HP. So first we mark the A point above the XY line, condition with HP. So it is our elevation point 20 mm above HP. 60 mm in front of VP. So the 60 mm in front of VP means our projection downward direction from XY, condition with VP. So it is our plan point A, 60 mm in front of VP. Now we create our locus. This is the locus of A point. It is the locus of elevation. So we write the locus of A dash. This is our locus of plan point A. Now the end projector 120 mm it is given, and we know the end projector, it is a horizontal distance between final points. So I take the 120 mm and projector distance, and from this point we mark our B end. So our B end, it is 80 mm above HP. The point above HP means we draw the projection upward direction 80 mm. Draw the mm. It is our B dash point. And 100 mm behind VP. So the behind VP, our plan point projection above XY line 100 mm. So I mark the plan point B. From this plan point I draw the locus of B dash and locus of B. So here we write the plan locus of B point, locus of B dash. Now we join our actual elevation A dash B dash. So our actual elevation inclined to XY line, that angle we call as a alpha. This is our only front view. Now when we rotate our front view, A dash B dash, if we rotate our front view, A dash B dash, and make the parallel. So we take the A dash B dash center radius and we rotate, make the parallel. So your elevation point, it is your elevation point B dash, it is moving. So this is my true length end point B2 dash. It is our so this is our true length end points. Now join the first A dash B2 dash. This is called as our front view length. It is called as our front view length. Now understand here, the front view length parallel to XY line, its top view A B2 is line inclined to VP with true length. So for that, we draw the perpendicular projection from B2 on locus of B. So here I draw the perpendicular projection from B2 dash, and I got the plan point B on locus of B. Now you join your AB2 it is called as a top view plus true length. And line inclined to XY line, that is called as a phi. Line inclined to VP. It is our answer. Similarly, you draw your actual top view. I joined the AB. It is our actual top view, and it's inclined to XY line. That angle we call as a beta. Now I rotate the AB. Now A is a center up to B points. Your top view, it is a radius, and you rotate, make the parallel. This is my plan point B1, and this AB1 we call as a top view length. So I draw the top view length dark. Now we know AB1, it is our top view length, its elevation A dash, B1 dash, it is line inclined to HP. So for that, we draw the vertical projection from B1 on locus of B dash, and this is our elevation point B1 dash. Now I join the A dash B1 dash with a straight line. It is called as a line inclined to HP, that means elevation plus true length, and it's inclined to XY line. It's inclined to XY line. This angle it's inclined to XY line. It's inclined to XY line. This angle we call as a theta, line inclined to HP. It is called a line inclined to HP. So again I fastly repeat this entire problem. So इस चैनल को आप लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और शेयर कीजिए। आपको इंजीनियरिंग ग्राफिक्स के हर एक चैप्टर्स के नए नए प्रॉब्लम मिलते रहेंगे। सो ज़रूर आप चैनल को अभी तक आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो कर दीजिए। थैंक यू।